video is sponsored by My DNA Curls. You can purchase all of their products at the local beauty supply store. And girl, when I tell you I was at my local beauty supply store and I saw that My DNA Curls, I said yes, that's my friends right there. But yes, they sponsored this video. I just received the Essence Copper 960 color, and this is what I used today to achieve this look. And if you guys keep watching, I'll go through a step-by-step on how I color this hair. It's more of like a natural looking brown, and I really like that because I can pull this off as my own hair. Honestly, I'm pulling the people left and right. I really like this color. It's subtle. This color is semi-permanent. It was very easy to use. They also sent me out the My DNA Curls comb, and it works perfectly with this type of hair. So I applied this color directly to the hair, and I let it process for about an hour. However, I did not see the results that I wanted at first, so I did a soap cap where I put shampoo, developer, and lightener in a bowl, and I kind of washed the hair with that, and then I applied another bottle, and it kind of gave it this rich chocolate color, which I'm really feeling right now. So they sent me 4 bottles total. I used about 3.5. It says here that this can be used with the relaxer. I don't have a relaxer, but for all my ladies out there that have relaxed hair, this is something that's safe to use. Because before, I know in the past, when I used to get a relaxer, if I apply color after the relaxer, my hair is going to fall out. I'm going to be bald head. And that's a no-go. So My DNA Curls is definitely helping the natural girls and the girls with relaxers. It did not leave the hair dry. The hair is still super, it's like lustrous. It's not dried out. I use the My DNA hair butter to get these defined curls. I use the leave-in conditioner as well. I use a sulfate-free shampoo to wash the hair after I colored it. Overall, I really like this product. I would definitely use it again. I really like the results. I recommend anybody purchase this. You can follow them on Instagram and go to their website. I will leave everything in the description bar below. And I'm going to let the video start so you can see how I achieved this look. I basically just sectioned the hair in 4 parts. Just applied the color. They also provided me with a brush to apply the color, but I kind of just used my hands and the gloves and combed it through with the wide tooth comb, and that worked wonders. But anybody that is looking to get a more natural, subtle color, I suggest you guys try the Copper 960. Try the Copper 960. It'll give you this look. I think I actually might do some highlights throughout this hair as well, just to make it pop a little bit more. But I'm really feeling this. The hair is still super soft. The product did not dry my hair or damage the hair, because you know these bundles and units be expensive. But it's totally safe to use on the hair. It made me look chocolate brown, you know. I love this look. If you guys are interested in getting this look, keep on watching. And I'm going to need you to follow My DNA Curls. Go to their website and get this collar, honey, because it is giving me life. But until next time, I love you guys. Show me love and I show you love. Bye-bye.